Hello again and welcome back to the ASH ENGIHUB. The name is the ASH, and as we've been able to successfully set up our Figma desktop app, we'll move right or we'll move straight to create our Figma design file. If you also prefer to use the browser, it will work just the same. But I prefer to make use of the Figma desktop app, which I view to be easy to use for me. So in order to create our Figma design file, all that you need to do is just click on this design, this button here, design button here. So all that you need to do is just left click on it, then wait for it to load. Then as you can see, it is untitled. So in order to give it a name of your choice, you just double click on it, erase it using the backspace, then choose a name of your choice. So I'll go with web design practice. Web design practice. No, let's tutorial. Then just you know web design tutorial. Then just hit on the enter key. And as you can see, it's no more untitled. It changed to the name that we chose. So now that we have our Figma design file set up, let's look at the basic interface that we need to be aware of. So this area here, this area is what we call the Figma canvas. This is where all our designs will appear, all the components that we will make or we will put together in order to construct, design our website. This, this is the area that all the components will be created, also put together. Right below here is what we call the Figma toolbar. From here is where you get most of the tools that will allow us to create the components that will put together in order to design our website successfully. Now that we familiarize ourselves with the interface and also the toolbar, let's create some basic shapes in order to get used to some of the tools and features. So you create some basic shapes that we see in our everyday life. When I mean basic shapes, I'm talking about the rectangle, the line, the arrow, the ellipse, polygon, and star. So in order to create a rectangle, you just click on this, just hover your mouse on this down arrow, which with the tool tip shape tools, then left click on it, then left click on the right angle. So as you can see, you have the shape of the right angle highlighted within the toolbar. So in order to produce or draw the rectangle on the canvas, all that you need to do is just hold the left mouse button with hold the left mouse button on any area of the canvas. Just drag to any dimension of your choice, and voila, we have our rectangle over here. So to draw a circle, we make use of the ellipse shape. So you hold the left mouse button, then drag, and voila, as you can see, we have our circle-like shape by making use of the ellipse. Also to draw a polygon, which in this case is a triangle, hold down the left mouse button on any area, then you drag. Then there you have it, we have our triangle. Next we have the star, same process, hold the left mouse button on any area of the canvas, just drag to any dimension of your choice. There we have it, we have a star. Let's try drawing an arrow. So you hold the left mouse button any area, can point the arrow to any direction of your choice. So let's make it face upwards. That's how we have it. Let's try drawing a line, straight line to the left. There you have it. You have a straight horizontal line. Now that we've familiarized ourselves with how to draw basic shapes within the Figma canvas, namely the rectangle, the ellipse, which in this case we've taken to be a circle, triangle, a star, an arrow facing upwards, and a straight horizontal line. We are a step away from building our website, and in my next video we will look at selection concepts. And selection concept is very crucial when it comes to designing, as it will aid in the movement and also in the manipulation of shapes in order to get the desired shape or result. Thank you again for your time. Make sure to like this video, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be encouraged to post more videos. It helps a lot. Also keep your notification bell icon active so that you'll be notified whenever we post new videos.